Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will do a quick demo how to use the User Grid Split View. Through the User Grid Split View, we can observe and manage the user grids of any desired object. Let's begin. First go to Setup and on Quick Search box, type App Builder. Click New. Select the app page and click Next. Set GMOP Management as a label. Select one region and hit the Next button. And then scroll down on the Component Explorer. Choose the GM User Grid Split View and move it by dragging and dropping it onto the main page. We can select Opportunity as a target object. Let's save this config for now, and activate this page on the Sales Cloud. Great. Click Back, and navigate over to the Sales Cloud. Please bear in mind that this currently represents a basic configuration. Here we can see all the user grids that are created based on the opportunity object. We can sort by name and search if desired. Let's delve into more features. Back to Lightning App Builder. Let's apply a filter to display the specific grids we want. From here we can add an inline filter to filter the user grids. We can collapse the split view by checking this option, or leave it expanded as per preference. By pasting the user grid developer name, it becomes the default grid. Here we can adjust the grid height. From here we have the option to hide or display the app header. That's it, let's click Save and back. These are the grids that match our filter criteria. Thank you for watching.